Alright guys, I am at another damn problem. So I was on my way to try to go get some food and my car shift out of park, but it won't catch any gears. Like, it stopped at neutral, so the shifter is just going freely up and down. It won't catch park, it won't catch any gears. It might be in gear, but I mean it won't move. So I got the emergency brake on. I've already pulled this off, which is the actual shifter with these 4 nuts, to see if the linkage was broken right around in this area, but it wasn't. So I think the problem is back at the transmission, where it disconnects, where the shift linkage actually connects to the transmission might have broke off. So it's made out of plastic bushings. I don't know why anything is made out of plastic on a freaking car, but I'm upset, and now I gotta go out here and fix it. So my car, my garage is, sorry for the beeping. So my car is on a freaking slant on a driveway, as you can see, and there's no way I can jack it up on a driveway, and I can't push it up because of other cars there, and it's just gonna be a nightmare. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to move it right here in the middle of the street, well, kind of on the street and kind of on my sidewalk with manpower, jack it up there, and then see what I got going on. Wish me luck. This isn't how I want to spend my Saturday of doing nothing. All right, here I go. So got the car on the street, a little help from my wife, and I found out it probably is the shift linkage bushing, because I see pieces of it here in the driveway. Brittle as hell. They cost about $9. So let me jack it up just to make sure that I'm gonna head to the auto parts store as soon as I can and get it. Alright, we got the car jacked up in the middle of the street. Here's a quick lesson for you boys and girls. If you're a real car person and you want to work on your car, get a flat driveway. That's something I wanted but couldn't find. But let's get underneath. Probably gonna need the light on the phone to figure out what I got going on here. If you can see, there it is right there. Shift linkage, and that's the knob it's supposed to be on. So let me get to the auto parts store and get this fixed as soon as possible. Alright, so I'm back with the plastic bushings. As you can see here, gotta figure out how to put them on there, and that will be it. Alright everyone, I finally got it done. It took me a lot longer than I thought. Shout out to O'Reilly's for recommending me going to AutoZone because they didn't have the part. I mean, to go to Advanced Auto Parts. And shout out definitely to Advanced Auto Parts, because I left my wallet at home in a hurry and they let me just get the little $10 part for free. So definitely got my business next time going forward. The reason why it took so long is it was just so hard to get the bushing over the actual nipple. So what I end up doing is taking my drill bit out and just drilling the hole just a little bit bigger. But last thing I need to do, I already got the console together, is let the car down, and then I'm off to try to go do an impromptu video shoot. I think like a rapper or something is like trying to shoot a video and he wants some cars in it. So Lone Star Street Cars president said, hey, he's gonna be in it if I want to come out and if my car was able. And sure enough, my car broke, but apparently they're running a little bit behind, so I'm gonna try to get down there. But anyway, that'll be another segment. But if you haven't been to the channel before, thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe.